Get into a car with value. 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled driver's seat, wireless charging station, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, premium sound system, bed liner, four-wheel drive, fog lamps. Everyone loves the strong, silent type. Make a date with a Silverado 1500.